Hey everyone, Ryan from the Insert Frame team here, and today I want to run you through our free e-commerce UI kit for Framer, which essentially is a starter kit if you want to build Shopify stores inside of Framer. So here we are, and there's a few different pages here. This first homepage here is essentially the library of all the components, sections, and elements that you'll need to build your e-commerce website, from product detail sections like this, our add to cart buttons, product descriptions, like a section for recommended products, testimonials, all the sort of things you kind of need to build the basics of your e-commerce store. We also have a few different pages here, like a landing page, a product detail page, and a product list page if you already want the structure and just want to get straight into it. So you can see we've got a landing page here with a bit of a carousel, and everything here is either set up with components or fully customizable other ways. But everything kind of syncs here. Now you can change any of this inside our product detail page. You notice all the contents here. Now, a lot of the functionality here is actually connected using the Frameship plugin. There's a little bit of information here, but if you go to your plugins tab, opens the Frameship plugin, you'll notice we can actually make this template functional using the Frameship components. So for example here, you'll need to go through and make sure all of this is connected. So you'll need to go to your CMS and make sure you've connected your Shopify store. But for example, inside the nav bar here, we've got our cart component, which we'll need to configure according to our collection list, which is synced with Shopify. If you want to make these into a collection list, you can do that just by copying this card and then dragging in your collection list from your CMS. So there's still a little bit of setup that you'll have to do simply because we can't connect your CMS for you, but everything should be here in terms of a starter kit that you should be able to very easily customize. And then if you're getting stuck on any sort of functionality, just make sure you open the Frameship plugin or go to frameship.io, because there's a ton of tutorials there and step-by-step guides on how to complete everything and build your Shopify store inside of Framer. Happy building.